Hi and welcome to Culture Unraveled. In this video, I want to look into the concept of the Messiah in the movie Dune. The movie focuses on the life of Paul Atreides, who is the heir of the aristocratic Atreides family. His father is the ruler of the planet Caladan, and his mother a part of a very powerful order called the Bene Gesserit. An important theme in the movie is Paul's calling as the one who has promised to bring liberation. The story revolves around Paul coming to this realization, to accept his calling as the Messiah, to have the courage to embrace it and step out into the world to face the necessary challenges. It is a calling that Paul is reluctant to accept, but the push is so strong that he ultimately has to. It is a theme that we find in almost all the great epics, the reluctant hero who's destined for greatness and has to come to terms with it within himself. We are drawn to these stories which have this dominant theme because it reveals something about what it means to be a hero in our own lives. An important theological position that the Eastern Orthodox Church emphasizes as opposed to other denominations is that as a Christian, one is called not just to worship Jesus Christ as the Messiah, but to be the Messiah, to articulate Christ in the time-space dimension that one finds oneself in. It is to actualize Him in being, to interpret Him not merely in words, but in and through our lives, to act in a manner that brings liberation to all those connected in that particular situation. In union with Christ, one can translate his very being to one's particular existential context, whether it's in their work, family, friends, causes they believe in, neighborhood, or nation. A Christian should be able to ask himself how Christ acts in that particular situation and courageously manifest that into existence. An impediment to this would be that we think our own lives are not as epic as the stories we read and the heroes that emerge from these narratives, that our mundane everyday lives are too small to make a ripple. But the biblical narrative to this is that our lives are epic in scale. All our individual stories weave together to form a much grander narrative. Hence, each of our actions have profound consequences. They have cosmic significance to it. It has much greater repercussions than what we can factor in or comprehend. And so we need to have the courage to acknowledge the grandiose scale within which all our lives are embedded in and act accordingly. Dune has an amazing line which says, "I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer. Fear is the little death that brings total obliteration. I will face my fear." I guess our constant preoccupation with sin blinds us to the fact that a lot of the time it is a lack of courage that hinders us from accepting our calling. A fear that our lives are too messy to make a difference, or the fear of accepting the grave responsibility and the consequences that follow. It is a fear that has to be broken in order to truly accept our calling.